Climb inside the 2020 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.